Hey everyone, T.F.D back here. This truck's been sitting for 5 years. Just secretly I slapped in a customer's battery. It's an Optima battery. It's got a few problems with it. I don't know if you can hear anyway with the wind. It's smoking now. So here we go. 5 years. No way. WD-40. I wonder if it goes into gear. No way. I gotta get my dad. Dad, come here. I got a surprise for you. Yeah. You still? got it to go. See if you can get it to move backwards. I just don't know how to drive manual. Well, diesel doesn't expire like gas.
Oh, is there anything behind it?
No, there's nothing behind it.
We push in the clutch.
Yep.
Bars all the way on the bottom. Right.
Give it a little bit of gas. Okay, go. The wheels spin. No way! Ha ha ha! Oh, cool. Just let it idle there for a second. Wait a minute, let me move the Firebird.
Yep. Zach, hold on. Zach. I think I found the problem. That tire is flat.
Cut it.
Zach!
Alright, Paul got after getting it out over there. My grandpa's came here with one of my uncle's 91 T.F.D. single axle. It's been sitting for 5 to 6 years. The turbocharger's not on it. I guess I'm gonna have to go over with you guys the story behind it. Comment below more about this one. I'm just gonna go around it for right now. I'm also gonna take the pressure washer to it. I might come back. I don't have much battery left on this, so I'm probably gonna have to come back to you guys in another video after pressure washing it. So I'm just gonna go around to it right now. Hey, buddy. Hey. You want to be on YouTube? Want a YouTube star? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. So. Okay, let's look at a view of all this crap on here. It's been sitting for so long, and I'm going to pressure wash it right off. You can maybe see some of the stickers on it. Makes it unique. It doesn't have the turbocharger on it. Well, I might have said it. Here's the interior. But it does have the turbo gauge on it. Extended cab. Had to close that window before I pressure wash it. Pull this, and you go down. It's gonna need some glow plugs also, and fuel part of the fuel line also. But I thought I'd just show it off to you all. Get some angle shots out of it. I'll show you guys what these tires look like. This one's bad, but it's got a lot of tread left on it. Can't really tell right now since the mud is on it. It's been sitting a long time. Maybe, see, I'm recording this on my iPad, so I have to get like a full shot. Maybe YouTube will pick up on it. So you guys can get some 4 shots of it. Alright, T.F.D signing off, everyone. See you until the next video.